I'm not sure why it says only one dumbbell in there. It's a pretty big box. I'm hoping that there's 2 of them in there. Otherwise, I'm still waiting on one. But let's get into unboxing it. Okay, let's do this. Got my knife here. I'm cutting the outside off first. I guess we'll have to do this again. Pop, pop, one more, pop. I'm excited. Let's see what's in here. Got my instruction manual. Let's open these bad boys up. I feel like there's going to be a light that shines from within. Oh man, it is only one. We'll make the best of it yet though. It's got a metal grip and some turn things, but just one weight. It goes from, let's see, 10 pounds up to 90. Another one came. Let's open it up. Get the cord off here. And pop. Get the tape. Got our instruction manual here. Set that aside. Pop, pop, pop. It's beautiful. Move this stuff out of the way so you can see it. Okay, so we got it out of the package. Nice. You can see it's big. Goes all the way from 10 pounds to click 90 pounds for each dumbbell. That's amazing. and I just twist each side to match and to switch the weight. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested in the next little bit, so check those out.